Hello everyone, I am Dr. Billy and you are watching Erudite Chemistry. And today we are going to identify primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atom. You have to understand how to identify them because you are going to deal with these particular terms, primary, secondary kind of terms in organic chemistry. Apart from that, we will also learn what are iso group, neo group and what is normal group. So let us start with the primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom. Okay, we have this example here. I am making carbon, CH3, CH2 and CH3. All the valencies of this carbon is satisfied. We are going to identify what is primary carbon atom. Now concentrate on this carbon. You can see here this carbon atom is connected to only one carbon atom. So that carbon atom which is connected to only one carbon atom is known as primary carbon atom. Okay, so we have this carbon atom as primary carbon atom. So let's see one more carbon atom here, this one. This carbon atom is also connected with only one carbon atom. So in this particular compound, this carbon is also primary carbon atom. Is it clear? So primary carbon atom is that carbon atom which is connected to only one carbon atom. This is primary. Primary carbon atom can also be indicated by 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon or primary is the same thing. Now let's look at this carbon, this middle carbon. Can you see that this middle carbon is connected one side with the one carbon and another side with another carbon. So you can see here that this is connected with the 2 carbon atom, and this type of carbon which is connected with the 2 other carbon atom is called secondary carbon atom. And secondary carbon atom is indicated by 2 degree carbon atom. So secondary carbon atom which is connected with the 2, primary carbon atom which is connected with the 1. Now let's see one more example and we will try to recognize what are the other type of carbon atom. So here we have another compound and we are going to concentrate on different kind of carbon atom and we are going to recognize which type of carbon atom they are. So let's concentrate on this carbon connected with 1, so it is primary. This carbon atom connected with 1 only, so it is primary. This carbon atom, this one. This carbon atom connected with 2 only, so it is secondary carbon. This carbon atom you can concentrate on. Look at this carbon here. This carbon atom is connected with 1, 2 and 3. So 3 sides it is connected with only carbon, carbon and carbon. So this type of carbon which is connected with 3 different carbon atoms from in 3 directions, this is called tertiary carbon atom. And tertiary carbon atom is also known as 3 degree carbon atom. Okay, so this carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom. Now just concentrate on this carbon. Can you see how many carbon atoms it is connected? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this carbon atom is connected with the 4 other carbon atom, and that is why I will name this carbon atom as quaternary carbon atom. Okay, and quaternary carbon atom can also be known as 4 degree carbon atom. So I hope it is now clear to you that what is primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary carbon atom. The carbon connected with 1, primary. Carbon connected with 2 carbon, secondary. Carbon connected with 3 carbon, tertiary. Carbon connected with 4 carbon, quaternary. Now let us talk about iso, neo and normal groups. So this is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So if we have a long chain with no branches, that alkane is known as N-alkane. So the alkane which is having no branches in it is known as N-alkane, which is called normal alkane, which is unbranched alkane. And just because it is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon alkane, I will name it as N-butane. Okay, if I am drawing one more butane here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So look at this, how many carbon atoms are there? There are 4 carbon atoms, but this is having one branch. So if there is one branch, matlab the carbon chain is connected with the second carbon atom. Can you see there? The carbon chain is connected with the second carbon, first carbon, second carbon, and this alkane is formed, is called isoalkane. When the methyl group is connected with second carbon atom. Okay, so this is isobutane. If I talk about another type of connection, so look at this connection, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So look at this compound. How many carbon atom it is having? Count the number of carbon atom in this compound. There are 5 carbon atom. So just because there are 5 carbon atom, it is pentane. It is what? Pentane. And just because at the first and second carbon there are 2 methyl group. Can you see there? At the second carbon there are 2 methyl group. That type of alkene are known as neoalkane. And this, just because it is pentane, we will name it as neopentane. Iso is this. This group is called iso group and this group is called neo group. When there is one methyl group at the second carbon, it is called iso group. When there are 2 methyl group at the second carbon, is known as neo. Let us take one more example to better understand it. Look at this compound. In this compound we can see there how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 carbon atom there means it is hexane. And just because here 1, 2 at the second carbon there is methyl group, I will name it as iso. So what is this? This compound is isohexane because this group is present here. This is iso group. So this is connected, this is iso group. CH3, CH, single bond, CH3. This group is iso group. Okay, let's take one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at this compound, CH3, 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 CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means this is called nonane. Nonane. Just because it is having 9 carbon, it is nonane. Just because this is the group which is attached at the second carbon, just because 2 methyl group are attached, this is called neononane. What it is called? Neononane. So neo group is this. This is neo group and this is iso group. So don't get confused with the other kind of group. They are always at the corner. If there is no branch, it is called normal. So I hope it is clear. Now can you recognize where is secondary carbon atom here? Look at this. This is secondary. So this is secondary carbon. Can you recognize primary carbon? This is primary carbon. Can you see this carbon? What type of carbon it is? It is connected with 1, 2, 3. Means it is tertiary carbon. Can you identify this carbon? What type of carbon it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is connected with 4. So it is quaternary carbon or 4-degree carbon. I hope this video will be helpful for you to identify the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atom as well iso, neo and N groups. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it and subscribe it also. Thank you very much.